Welcome back to Elite Estate Tour. Today, we're stepping inside an extraordinary waterfront masterpiece located in one of the most exclusive areas of Miami Beach. Listed at an incredible $27,500,000, this ultramodern mansion delivers the perfect combination of luxury, privacy, architecture, and resort-style living. From breathtaking water views to a private dock designed for yacht access, every detail of this home was created to offer a lifestyle most people only dream about. As we approach the front entrance, the first thing that stands out is the architecture. Clean modern lines, expansive walls of glass, natural stone accents, and tropical landscaping immediately create a feeling of sophistication. The property feels private yet welcoming at the same time. A long designer driveway leads us toward the main entrance, where oversized pivot doors create a dramatic first impression. The moment those doors open, the scale of this home becomes impossible to ignore. We step into a grand double-height foyer flooded with natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows stretch upward and frame stunning views of the outdoor resort area and sparkling waterfront beyond. The polished flooring reflects sunlight throughout the space, giving the interior a bright and elegant atmosphere. Straight ahead, the main living room instantly becomes the centerpiece of the home. This space was designed to create a seamless connection between indoor luxury and outdoor living. Massive sliding glass walls disappear into hidden pockets, transforming the room into an open-air retreat. The furniture layout creates comfort while maintaining an upscale aesthetic. Designer lighting hangs above, adding warmth and visual balance. Imagine hosting friends here in the evening as the sunset reflects across the water while soft music fills the background. Adjacent to the living area, we enter the formal dining room. This dining space was designed for unforgettable entertaining. A custom dining table sits beneath a statement chandelier, while floor-to-ceiling glass ensures every meal comes with incredible waterfront views. Whether hosting intimate dinners or larger celebrations, the atmosphere feels elegant without being overwhelming. And now we arrive at one of the most impressive spaces in the entire property. The kitchen. This isn't simply a kitchen, it feels like a luxury culinary showroom. A massive waterfall island becomes the visual centerpiece. Premium stone surfaces extend across custom cabinetry, while integrated appliances create a clean, minimalist appearance. Every detail feels intentional. Storage has been carefully concealed, preserving the sleek aesthetic. There's generous prep space, designer hardware, and a secondary service kitchen hidden nearby to support larger events and private catering. Just imagine starting your morning here with floor-to-ceiling views of the water, while natural light pours into the space. Connected to the kitchen is a casual family lounge designed for everyday comfort. This room feels more relaxed while maintaining the same level of luxury found throughout the home. Comfortable seating, built-in shelving, and a modern entertainment setup create the perfect environment for movie nights or quiet evenings. As we continue through the first level, we discover one of the guest suites. Unlike typical guest bedrooms, this space feels more like a luxury hotel suite. Large windows, custom finishes, walk-in storage, and a private designer bathroom ensure visitors experience complete comfort. Moving upstairs, the floating staircase becomes a work of art itself. Glass railings and architectural lighting create an elegant transition between levels. As we reach the second floor, panoramic views immediately capture attention. This upper level houses several secondary bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with private bathrooms, spacious layouts, and large windows that maximize natural light. But now it's time to enter the highlight of the residence. The primary suite. As the doors open, the scale and atmosphere become unforgettable. This suite occupies a premium position within the home and was designed as a private retreat. Floor-to-ceiling glass captures breathtaking views over the water while creating a sense of calm and openness. The bedroom itself feels peaceful and luxurious. There's enough room for a private sitting area, reading corner, and custom furniture arrangement. One of the standout features is direct access to an oversized private terrace. Imagine waking up every morning, stepping outside with coffee in hand, and enjoying uninterrupted waterfront views. But the experience doesn't stop there. We continue into the primary lounge area and then enter the incredible walk-in closet. This custom-designed space feels closer to a luxury boutique than a traditional closet. Display shelving, premium finishes, integrated lighting, and exceptional organization create a truly elevated experience. Then we enter the primary bathroom. This space was designed to feel like a five-star wellness retreat. A floating double vanity stretches across the room beneath designer mirrors. The oversized shower features premium fixtures and spa-inspired finishes. At the center sits a sculptural soaking tub, positioned perfectly to enjoy views while relaxing. Every detail contributes to a feeling of tranquility and luxury. Continuing through the second floor, we arrive at a private office. Working from home in a space like this completely changes the experience. Natural light, elegant design, and peaceful surroundings create an environment that feels productive and inspiring. Nearby, there's a dedicated entertainment room. This area was designed for immersive movie nights and private gatherings. Comfortable seating, integrated technology, and refined finishes make it feel like a private cinema experience. Now let's move outside. And this is where the property truly becomes unforgettable. As the sliding glass walls disappear, indoor and outdoor spaces merge into one incredible resort environment. The outdoor living room creates the perfect space to relax while staying connected to the pool and waterfront views. Designer seating areas surround a stunning resort-style swimming pool. The pool itself feels like something you would expect at an ultra-luxury destination. Clean geometric lines, premium materials, and integrated lighting create an incredible visual effect day and night. Nearby, a spa section offers the perfect place to unwind. Multiple lounge areas provide flexibility for entertaining or private relaxation. There's also a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and dining pavilion. This space transforms outdoor entertaining into an experience. Imagine hosting sunset dinners while yachts move across the water in the distance. And speaking of yachts, one of the defining features of this estate is the private dock. This is waterfront living at its highest level. Direct water access allows owners to experience Miami from an entirely different perspective. Whether departing for a day on the ocean or simply enjoying the atmosphere, the dock becomes an extension of the luxury lifestyle. Walking along the edge of the property, every angle reveals another impressive view. The landscaping has been designed carefully to provide beauty and privacy without blocking sightlines. Palm trees, sculpted greenery, and subtle lighting create an atmosphere that feels peaceful and exclusive. As evening arrives, the home transforms. Architectural lighting highlights every detail of the exterior. The glass surfaces reflect the surrounding water. The pool glows beneath the night sky. And the entire estate feels more like a private luxury resort than a residence. Returning inside, the open layout becomes even more dramatic after sunset. Lighting creates warmth while preserving the clean modern aesthetic. Every room feels connected. Every space feels intentional. This home wasn't designed simply to look impressive. It was designed to create experiences. Morning coffee overlooking the water. Family gatherings in the outdoor pavilion. Quiet evenings in the primary suite. Celebrations that continue from indoor spaces directly into the resort-style backyard. Luxury here isn't defined only by expensive materials. It's defined by how effortlessly life flows throughout the property. From architecture to functionality, every element works together. Even details that often go unnoticed have been elevated. Custom lighting, premium finishes, integrated smart features, exceptional craftsmanship. This estate proves that modern design can still feel warm, welcoming, and comfortable. As we take one final walk through the home, each space tells part of the story. The grand entrance sets expectations. The living spaces create connection. The kitchen becomes the social center. The bedrooms provide privacy. The resort-style backyard delivers unforgettable moments. And the private dock creates a direct connection to the Miami lifestyle. Homes at this level aren't just purchased. They're experienced. And experiences like this are rare. If you could imagine your perfect day here, it might start with sunrise views from the primary terrace. Breakfast prepared in the chef's kitchen. A relaxing afternoon by the pool. An evening yacht ride from your private dock. And finally returning home to watch the city lights reflect across the water. That's what makes this residence special. Not only its value, but the lifestyle it represents. This $27,500,000 ultra-modern Miami Beach mansion delivers everything luxury buyers search for: location, design, privacy, entertainment, and world-class waterfront living. Thank you for joining Elite Estate Tour for this incredible experience. If you enjoyed exploring this extraordinary estate, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next luxury property tour. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, living better, and exploring the world's most extraordinary homes.